In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do a backlink audit with Ubersuggest. Achieving a successful backlink audit might seem daunting, but with the right tools and understanding, you can master it easily. To start off, we need to visit the Ubersuggest tool on the Neil Patel website. Make sure you're logged into Ubersuggest to access all the necessary features. If you're not already familiar, Ubersuggest offers a comprehensive suite of SEO tools that can help you thoroughly analyze your backlink profile. Once you're logged in, the next step is to enter your website URL into the search bar and hit that search button. This action will initiate a deep dive into your website's backlink profile, which is crucial for gaining insights into how other websites link back to yours. Now navigate to the left menu and click on Backlinks. This can be found under either the SEO Explorer or Traffic Analyzer section. Clicking here will bring up a detailed report showcasing all the domains that are currently linking to your site. It's an essential feature because it reveals important metrics such as the referring domains, which are essentially the websites linking back to you. In addition to referring domains, you'll also see domain authority and page authority scores. These scores give you a sense of how strong and influential a website is. A higher domain authority suggests that the domain is likely more credible, while page authority focuses on the strength of individual pages. You'll also want to pay attention to the anchor text, which is crucial for understanding the context in which the links point to your site. Plus, you'll see whether these are do follow or no follow links. Do follow links pass on SEO benefits, which is why they're typically more desirable. However, having a natural mix that includes no follow links can also be beneficial. The final and crucial step of your audit is to review the quality of these links. Identify which links are beneficial, often coming from high authority and relevant websites to your niche. These are the types of links you want as they give a good boost to your SEO rankings. But beware of bad links, which often come from spammy or irrelevant sites and could harm your SEO health. If you find any of these, it's advisable to consider disavowing them to protect your site's ranking. And that's it. With these steps, you now know how to perform a thorough backlink audit using Ubersuggest. Regular audits like this help maintain your website's SEO health and ensure that you're always in the best possible standing with search engines. Happy analyzing!